Seawolves are so important to the Heiltsuk people. They make up part of the creation story. Now researchers have found the wolves are even more woven into the fabric of Heiltsuk life and more remarkable than first thought.
Just their development of their thought patterns is just astonishing.
Resource Department is involved in a project to eradicate the invasive European green crab. Traps are set in remote parts of the coast, but the traps were being destroyed, and no one could figure out how.
Okay, what has the ability to physically pull a crab trap?
Along with researchers studying coastal wolves, cameras were set up with views of the traps, and the results shocked everyone.
They're so smart.
The video captured the day after the camera was installed. The wolf swims out to the buoy, takes it back to shore, then pulls the line to bring the trap to the surface, then opens the bait can and eats the herring roe inside.
This mental model that the only thing she can see is a float, but she knows all these other things are attached. At least we infer that. It sure looks that way.
The research was published in the journal Ecology and Evolution on Monday, describes the behavior as learned.
The way it sort of happened was they must have witnessed our crews putting the traps into the water.
But researchers don't know for sure and are studying the populations along the Central Coast to find out if other wolves are also learning this behavior. Another camera caught a different animal eating from a trap, but it was unclear whether those traps were submerged.
So in one specific area, we see this happen. We haven't seen this in some of the other areas where there are green crab traps. So it certainly strongly suggests that it's one pack.
The food in the traps are things wolves would normally eat, and at this point there doesn't appear to be any issues with habituation. But now, the guardians laying the traps are forced to think of new ways to keep the bait safe.
It's almost like a daily chess game with our crew and the wolves out there, and how we're gonna get around them today.
Aaron McArthur, Global News.